Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great pleasure to join you today for the Anyone 10th Anniversary Public Stage. My heartfelt congratulations to Anyone and MediaLink and on this important milestone. 10 years may not seem so long to people who grew up with anime and manga in the 1970s like myself, but what Anyone has achieved during this time is spectacular and deserves recognition. Over the past decade, Anyone has built a strong digital platform ecosystem, bringing anime to fans across different markets and languages and nurturing a vibrant community. I look forward to seeing it continue to grow as a platform that connects Asia with diverse IPs, including those from Japan.
總領事就話好榮幸今日可以同大家一齊參與 Anyone 10週年慶典嘅舞台。首先呢，佢係想喺度衷心恭喜 Anyone 同埋 MediaLink 咧係達成咗一個好重要嘅里程碑啦。睇住伴住動漫作品成長嘅朋友嚟講呢，10年可能好長，但係對於 Anyone 嚟講呢，呢段時間所得到嘅成就咧係相當耀眼嘅。喺過去呢10年啦 ，Anyone 亦都建立咗一個強大嘅數碼生態系統啦，跨越唔同嘅市場同埋語言，將動漫帶俾廣大嘅粉絲嘅，亦都好期待繼續見到 Anyone 嘅持續成長。
For 32 years, MediaLink has been an important connector across Asia, linking cultures, creators, partners, and audiences. Since I arrived in Hong Kong a year and a half ago, I have had the opportunity to get to know Lulu-san and have witnessed her and MediaLink's tremendous passion for the IP industry. I was truly amazed in many ways to witness such passion, seen in efforts to bring a wide range of Japanese IPs to Hong Kong, almost simultaneously with its release in Japan, and in the successful launch of Hong Kong 2026 to promote IPs from across various parts of Asia, including of course Japan.
係啦，咁32年嚟啦，羚邦集團咧一直都係亞洲地區嘅重要橋梁啦。大使就自己提及到1年半前嚟香港嘅時候咧，就認識咗阿 Lulu-san 啦。一直咧都係好感嘆呢個 MediaLink 嘅集團咧係可以為香港嘅動漫品牌咧係做咗咁多嘅精彩活動啦，真係好令人驚嘆。包括就係 ConCon Hong Kong 2026嘅舉行啦，亦都係推廣咗好多日本嘅 IP， 甚至乎係同時間咧將日本發生緊嘅一啲動漫都帶到嚟香港嘅。
So once again, congratulations on Anyone's 10th anniversary. So I wish Anyone and MediaLink continued success, and I also wish everyone here a wonderful celebration. Thank you very much.
係啦，再一次恭喜 Anyone 10週年快樂啦！亦都祝 Anyone 同埋羚邦集團嘅業務蒸蒸日上嘅，亦都祝在座咁多位同埋咁多位嘅觀眾咧，可以好好享受今日嘅慶祝活動啊！多謝大家。我哋亦都再一次俾啲掌聲，多謝三浦潤大使為 Anyone 嘅舞台活動支持。我哋有請 Lulu 咧係移步到舞台嘅中間啦。我哋咧就可以同總領事三浦潤大使一齊影一張合照嘅。Let's take a group photo together.係啦，相信有去過好多唔同羚邦集團同埋 Anyone 活動嘅大家咧，其實都幾常見到我哋三浦潤大使同埋 Lulu-san 嘅身影㗎啦。真係好多謝咧，大使都係一直以嚟好支持住我哋嘅活動啦。我哋都唔該曬兩位 ，Thank you Mr. Mirola and Lulu. Please remain on stage for the ceremony for 10th anniversary. 我哋而家有請多兩位貴賓上台咧，為我哋 Anyone 10週年咧係主持一個簡單而隆重嘅慶祝儀式嘅。首先有請首席策略總監 Kelvin Yao、資深發行總監 Jackie Lam 上台一齊主持我哋嘅儀式。Please welcome Chief Strategy Officer Kelvin Yao, Senior Distribution Director Jackie Lam to come on stage for the kick-off ceremony. 好 好，咁我哋有請工作人員咧係遞上呢個拉炮啦，咁亦都請各位咧係先拎住個拉炮咧係嚟一張大合照先嘅。係啦 ，Let's take a photo before we pull off. Yes, group photo first. Let's look at the camera. 我哋望下相機先啊。係。好多謝呢度嘅咁多位成就住我哋喺香港可以欣賞到好多我哋中意嘅日本動漫作品啊嚇！好 ，Are we ready？ 咁我哋倒數3聲之後呢，就麻煩咁多位嘉賓係一齊啟動拉炮，慶祝 Anyone 10週年生日快樂嘅。After the countdown of 3, all the guests may press the confetti and celebrate this iconic moment. Are you ready？ 我哋一齊數3、2、1 Woo! Anyone 10歲生日快樂 ！Anyone happy birthday, happy 10th anniversary! Thank you everyone, Mr. Mirula and Lulu. Please remain on stage. 我哋多謝晒咁多位嘉賓啦，咁亦都係請總領事三浦大使同埋 Lulu 再一次留步嘅，咁係啦，我哋會致送翻呢個紀念品俾總領事三浦大使嘅。OK， 係啦，咁我哋有請 Lulu 咧係為我哋致送紀念品。Thank you。好啦，咁我哋再一次多謝三浦大使咧係出席我哋今日嘅活動啦。咁請兩位咧可以翻去台下就座，繼續欣賞節目嘅。Thank you so much for Mr. Mira to be our guest today, and please be seated and enjoy the rest of our show。係非常之精彩啊！咁我相信咧，台下嘅大家同我一樣咧，都係 Anyone 嘅忠實 fans 啦。咁唔知喺過去呢10年入面咧，大家最中意又係邊一套作品呢？ Anyone 喺呢10